Nissan has been going through some pretty rough times lately, but all that is about to change soon, as there is a completely new lineup of new, game-changing models coming. All new models, revolutionary redesigns, the Japanese automakers coming with a bunch of potential class leaders. Nissan CEO announces 7 new models for 2026 and turns Nissan haters into believers. Number 7. Nissan Armada Nismo. For years, Nissan's Middle Eastern customers have enjoyed something American buyers could only dream about, the high-performance patrol Nismo. This beast of an SUV has been tearing up desert highways with its track-tuned suspension and aggressive styling, while Americans were stuck with the standard Armada. That inequality is finally coming to an end. The 2026 Nissan Armada Nismo is bringing that same Middle Eastern performance heritage to North American roads. Under the hood, the twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 gets a serious power boost from 425 to 460 horsepower thanks to engine reprogramming and revised valve clearances. The exhaust system has been completely retuned, and there's even an active sound enhancement system that amplifies the engine note inside the cabin. But power is only part of the story. The Nismo variant gets a complete chassis overhaul with retuned steering and adjusted air suspension that transforms this full-size SUV into something surprisingly athletic. The exterior receives an aggressive makeover with fender flares, a larger grille with vertical air channels, and a front splitter that houses LED fog lamps. Red accents appear throughout the design, from the grille to the rear diffuser, giving it that unmistakable Nismo identity. Inside, the cabin gets the full Nismo treatment with red micro-suede quilted inserts on charcoal leather seats, aluminum pedals, and Nismo badges stitched into every surface. The front seats feature adjustable side bolsters to keep occupants planted during spirited driving, while heated and massaging functions ensure comfort during long journeys. With exclusive colors like Nismo Stealth Gray and Black Diamond Pearl, this isn't just another luxury SUV, it's a statement that Nissan is serious about performance across its entire lineup. Number 6. Nissan Frontier PHEV. The midsize pickup segment is about to get electrified in a big way. Nissan is developing a plug-in hybrid version of the Frontier that will completely change the game for truck buyers who want capability without compromising on efficiency. This isn't just speculation. The company has already revealed the Frontier Pro plug-in hybrid at the Shanghai Auto Show, giving us a clear preview of what's coming. Based on technology from the Chinese Dongfeng Z9 pickup, the Frontier PHEV combines a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with a transmission-mounted electric motor to produce an impressive 402 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Those numbers put it ahead of most V8-powered trucks while delivering electric-only range of around 83 miles based on testing protocols. The electrified Frontier is about to arrive around to the US next year. Number 5. Next-generation Nissan Sentra. The compact sedan segment might be shrinking, but Nissan isn't giving up. The 2026 Sentra represents a complete reimagining of what a compact car can be, growing in size and capability to fill the void left by both the departing Versa and Altima. This consolidation strategy means the new Sentra will need to cover more ground than ever before. The new Sentra is adopting Nissan's latest design language, similar to what we've seen on the recently debuted Murano. The styling is less busy and more streamlined, with angular headlight treatment and a light bar running across the hood line above the V-shaped grille. The rear end features LED taillights that extend across the trunk lid, along with a subtle ducktail spoiler that gives the sedan a sportier appearance. Under the hood, the naturally aspirated 2-liter engine is being replaced by a turbocharged 3-cylinder unit, possibly the same 1.5-liter turbo setup used in the Rogue SUV that produces 201 horsepower. The interior will feature dual 12.3-inch screens for the instrument cluster and infotainment system, a massive upgrade from the current 7 and 8-inch displays. The company is also considering hybrid powertrains, potentially bringing e-power technology from Japan to create one of the most efficient compact sedans on the market. Number 4. Infiniti QX65. Infiniti's luxury division is getting a major shot at the arm with the introduction of the QX65. The QX65 will chop the top off Infiniti's mid-size QX60 crossover, creating a stylish 2-row alternative that can compete directly with the Audi Q8 and Genesis GV80 Coupe. The design will feature split headlights almost identical to those in the larger QX80, with narrow LED daytime running lights at the base of the hood and main headlamps positioned vertically lower on the fascia. Power will come from the same turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine found in the QX60, producing 268 horsepower and 286 pound-feet of torque. While this might not sound overwhelming, it represents a more refined and efficient approach compared to the previous 295 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 that was discontinued last year. The engine will be mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission with available all-wheel drive. The QX65 will debut later this year, with production taking place at Nissan's Smyrna, Tennessee plant rather than Mexico. This change in production location could be crucial for avoiding potential tariffs and ensuring competitive pricing in an increasingly challenging luxury SUV market. Number 3. Nissan Leaf. The Nissan Leaf is undergoing perhaps the most dramatic transformation in its history. After years of looking like a dorky hatchback that screamed, "I'm an electric car," the 2026 Leaf is evolving into a stylish SUV that finally looks like something people actually want to drive. The new Leaf will ride on an all-new architecture and takes major steps forward as an EV, finally ditching the oddball CHA demo DC fast charging plug for conventional charging standards. There's a J1772 port for AC charging on the front left fender and a NAC style port for DC fast charging on the passenger side front fender. This dual port setup makes life significantly easier for owners, allowing them to pull forward into AC charging spots or easily access Tesla supercharger stalls. The model lineup expands from 2 to 4 variants: S, S+, SV+, and Platinum. The base S model will use a 53 kilowatt-hour battery pack with 174 horsepower, while the other 3 models will get a larger 75 kilowatt-hour battery that boosts output to 214 horsepower. The S Plus will deliver the best range in the lineup at 303 miles, a huge improvement over the outgoing model's 212-mile maximum. Number 2. Nissan Xtera. The return of the Xtera might be the most exciting news for adventure-seeking drivers. This famous SUV nameplate is making a comeback for 2026, but this time it's going fully electric while maintaining the boxy, capability-focused design that made the original so beloved. Nissan has clearly learned that EV buyers are tired of rounded, egg-shaped crossovers that prioritize aerodynamics over character. Pons Pandikathira, Nissan's chief planning officer, has been vocal about the company's frustration with generic EV design. "We're tired of EVs that look like eggs." The Xtera represents a deliberate rejection of that philosophy, embracing bold, angular styling that clearly communicates its adventure-ready intentions. Production is planned for Nissan's Canton, Mississippi plant starting late next year, which means we should see the debut soon after. The timing aligns perfectly with growing consumer interest in electric adventure vehicles, and the Xtera's distinctive styling should help it stand out in an increasingly crowded EV market. Number 1. Nissan NP300. The most game-changing vehicle in Nissan's 2026 lineup might be the one that costs the least. The NP300 represents Nissan's entry into the affordable pickup market, but unlike competitors like the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz, this will be a genuine body-on-frame truck with real work capabilities. Currently sold in Mexico and Central America, the NP300 is about to prove that affordable doesn't have to mean compromised. Based on the same D23 platform as the global Navara rather than the older D41 architecture used by the North American Frontier, the NP300 offers modern engineering at a bargain price. The key to its affordability lies in its no-nonsense approach: steel wheels, black plastic bumpers, and a work-focused interior that prioritizes durability over luxury. The powertrain lineup centers around a proven 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, producing 166 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. While those numbers might not excite enthusiasts, this engine has decades of reliability data behind it. More interesting is the available diesel option, a turbocharged 4-cylinder with 161 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque that could achieve around 30 miles per gallon city and 37 miles per gallon highway. Still, we don't expect this one to come to the US market. Perhaps most importantly, the NP300 will be offered exclusively in single cab configuration with a 7.7-foot cargo bed and payload capacity exceeding 2,700 pounds. This makes it a genuine work truck rather than a lifestyle vehicle, with capabilities that match or exceed many mid-size pickups at a fraction of the cost. The pricing will start around $22,000, making it the most affordable body-on-frame pickup on the market. Production will take place at Nissan's existing Cuernavaca plant in Mexico, avoiding chicken tax complications and keeping costs low. For small businesses, contractors, and anyone who needs a real truck without the premium price tag, the NP300 could be exactly what the market has been waiting for. With these models, Nissan has a great opportunity to get back on track, but it's not the only company that brings big novelties for the next year. Check out this video about Ford's CEO announcing new models for 2026, which you can now see on the screen. The blue oval has some very exciting news.